How to use Rocket Lawyer Last Will and Testament online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Creating a last will and testament online with Rocket Lawyer is simple, but beginners often make mistakes that can render the will invalid or cause disputes. The first mistake is skipping essential personal details. Whole names, addresses, and proper identification of beneficiaries are critical. Missing or inaccurate information can create legal challenges after death. Another common error is not clearly designating executors and guardians. Without a clearly named executor, the court may appoint someone, potentially against your wishes. For parents, guardianship for minor children must be explicit. Many users overlook specific bequests or contingency plans. Simply stating everything goes to my family can lead to disputes or unintended distributions. Include detailed instructions for major assets and backups if a beneficiary predeceases you. Neglecting proper signing and witnessing is another pitfall. Rocket Lawyer guides you through e-signature or in-person signing requirements. Failing to follow them can make your will invalid. Finally, some assume the online will replace legal review. Complex estates, tax concerns, or blended family situations may require professional advice to avoid problems. To use Rocket Lawyer Last Will and Testament online properly, provide accurate personal information, designate executors and guardians, include detailed bequests, follow signing requirements, and seek professional guidance for complex situations. Avoid these mistakes, and your will give you peace of mind and protect your loved ones.